Hi again. So today I did a look inspired by a plant. I went to San Francisco yesterday and I went to the Academy of Sciences, or Science. They had like a rainforest section. There's like a simulation of a rainforest and it was really hot in there. So they had like butterflies and lizards and creepy stuff, fish, and they had plants there. And one of them that I took pictures of was called, I think it's called the pitcher plant. And it's called that because it looks like a pitcher, like a water pitcher. The one thing I can describe it looking as is a victory bell. If you're familiar with Pokemon, with like the Venus flytrap kind of gallon mouth with the big flap in the front. It's hard to explain, but I'll have a picture. I took a picture on my phone. Of course, my trial eye always messes up. I fixed everything on this side, hopefully. And I hope you like it. I wouldn't say this is really wearable, but if you wanted to wear it, I would suggest taking out the little spots and the extra liner at the bottom. So yeah, I hope you like it, and I'll see you in my next video, hopefully soon. Bye! Oh, one more thing, I just wanted to mention again that Manila Luzon from Drag Race, she posted one of my videos again on her Facebook, and I died, and I was resuscitated, and I came back to life. Okay, I'm done. Bye.